to witness a celebration of this year's accomplishments by the students of Malinta National High School Junior and Senior.
Please rise for the entrance of colors.
Po na kami lahat po ay nagsama-sama upang bigyang parangal ang mga paghihirap po ng bawat mag-aaral, lahat ng mga magulang, pati na rin po ng mga guro. Panginoon, hinihiling po namin ang iyong gabay upang maging matagumpay po ang programa ito mula sa umpisa hanggang sa dulo po ng programa. Panginoon, sana po patuloy niyo pong gabayan ang mga magulang. Ang mga magulang siya pong gumagabay sa bawat mag-aaral upang marating po nila ang kanilang mga pangarap. Ang mga guro po na siya nagbibigay ng karunungan at nagbibigay inspirasyon sa bawat isa. Dahil kung wala po sila, Panginoon, wala rin po kami ngayon. At para rin po sa lahat ng mag-aaral, Panginoon, huwag po kayong magsawang suportahan at gabayan po ang bawat isa hanggang sa makarating po nila ang kanilang mga pangarap. Panginoon, patawarin niyo po kami sa aming mga kasalanan. At sana po, Panginoon, sa bawat pagsubok ng buhay na aming dinaranas, ay sana nandiyan po kayo lagi sa aming tabi. Ito po ang samot dalangin namin sa pangalan ni Jesus, na ating Panginoon at dakilang tagapagligtas. Amen.
I'd like to acknowledge the presence of our principal, Dr. Jameson H. Tan, to our department heads, to our teachers, students, and of course parents, and to those who are going to be awarded today. Good afternoon.
Indeed, we are celebrating today the triumphs and success of our knowledgeable and talented students who have faced all the challenges given to them for the past school year. To give us more insights about education and success, let us all welcome our ever-supportive school principal, Dr. Jameson H. Tan. Let us all give him a round of applause.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Anatole France said, "An education is not how much you have committed to memory or how much you know. It is being able to differentiate between what you know and what you do not." Good afternoon, everyone. Recognition Day is the culmination of all hard work and a school year of study. It is the day when students can proudly say, "We have done it." It is a milestone in their lives as they gather and celebrate success. It is a time to reap the fruits of their sacrifices and hard work. To the awardees, congratulations. Yes, this does not end here. Challenges are just way up there, waiting to be unfolded and taken gloriously by you. I am encouraging you to continue the race and aim high as long as you live. Recognition Day is not the end, but a new beginning to a new horizon of your studies. Of course, today is also the perfect day to say thank you to the people behind your success. It is always best to acknowledge your parents. Without their presence and love, you are now not here. Thank you also to your teachers. Without their guidance and dedication, thanks to God. Let us all offer everything we have and have to Him. Dear achievers, victorious day to everyone. Muli magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat.
They kept on working even if their chin touches the ground because of hard work. Let us all take this chance and give a warm applause to all our dear parents.
Ladies and gentlemen, today's celebration is also a showcase of how talented and well-rounded our students are. To prove this, please welcome the Super D dancers for an energetic special number.
to our beloved head of each department, to our guests, to our very versatile and energetic principal, Dr. Jameson H. Tan, fellow teachers, parents, awardees, good afternoon. It's my honor to present to you our guest speaker this afternoon. Our guest, of course, is a graduate of Malinta National High School, batch 2010. As fourth honorable mention, he finished his college at Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Valenzuela with a degree of Bachelor of Science and Electrical Engineering in 2015, and a Dean's Lister and Top 1 PLDBSEE batch 2015. He is a candidate for a graduation on his Masters of Science in Electrical Engineering at Mapua Institute of Technology in Manila. He is a scholar of Dr. Pio Valenzuela, batch 2015. He is a registered electrical engineer and a registered master electrician. He works as a building engineer and resident engineer at Megaville JPG Development Incorporated, Valenzuela Town Center, and the New Public Market in Marulas from February 2016 up to present. He is also a part-time college instructor at PLB from 2015 up to present. He is affiliated as a member of Integrated Institute of Electrical Engineers of the Philippines, IIEE, and instructor, member of Black Belt of Shito, Rehu Shikokai Karatedo, means Black Belt ka pala, sir. He also participated in different competitions. He is a finalist of November 2016 Faculty Research Colloquium, a country finalist, third placer in the Go Grow in the city Paris, Schneider Electric Philippines, March 2014. Very own, no other than Mr. Fidel C. Imperial.
Medyo napahaba yung introduction sa akin ni ma'am. So, good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. So, nakakagalak lang pong makabalik sa ating sintang paaralan, Malinta National High School. So, mula pagbati, isang mapagpalang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ako po ay lubos na nagpapasalamat sa ating punong guro, kasi Dr. Jameson Tan, at mga guro na bumubuo sa programang ito. Salamat po sa pag-imbita sa akin bilang guest speaker ngayong araw. Ako po ay nagagalak, una dahil ako po ay inyong inimbitahan. Pangalawa dahil nakita ko na naman po ang aking mga guro, nagagandahan at nagbabapuhang mga guro. Parang di lumipas ang 7 taon. Di ba? So, majority po lang aking ipepresent sa inyo ay nung ako po ay nung high school. Kasi po kung ako po ay tatanungin anong parte ng buhay ko ang memorable, high school. So 7 years ago, 2010, nung ako po ay nakapagtapos ng high school sa Malinta National High School, ako po ay 4th honorable mention. Katumbas ko po yung kwento noon. Nung ako po ay first year high school, katumbas po nito ay grade 7 ngayon. Hindi ko po kinakaila na ako ay naging sobrang sakit sa ulo ng aking mga guro. At laman ng away sa labas ng paaralan. Hindi naman po sa pagbubuhat ng bangko, ako po ay maalam sa matematika at science, mathematics at science. Kaya kapag nagtuturo ang teacher ko noon, nakukuha ko pong mag-cut ng class. Meaning, ika nila cutting classes. Dahil alam ko na po yung tinuturo nila. Ganun po ako kayabang noon. Dahil doon sa aking hindi magandang pag-uugali, ako po ay nakakuha ng mga mabababang marka. Dahil Siyempre, di lang naman po quizzes sa school, may mga projects din po. Tamad po ako magpasa noon. Kaya malaking percentage din po yung projects sa grade. Kaya po ako nakakuha ng mababang marka. At dahil doon, nadismaya yung aking mga guro at lalong-lalo na ang aking magulang. Dahil doon, ako po ay nalipat noong second year sa lower section. Napag-isip-isip ko na, Judel, ano ba itong nagawa mo? Dahil doon, nasabi ko sa sarili ko na magaling naman ako sa academics, bakit hindi ako bumawi? At dahil doon nag-umpisa ang lahat ng magagandang bagay. Natapos ko ang second year ng top 1 at